Could the ashes of a red cow bring about the end of days? This question may seem outlandish, yet it lies at the heart of the Red Heifer prophecy, a millennia-old belief deeply entrenched in both Jewish and Christian traditions. The Red Heifer prophecy is found in the biblical book of Numbers, chapter 19. The chapter outlines an elaborate purification ritual involving a rare, unblemished red heifer. The ashes of this sacrificial animal, once mixed with water, were believed to have the power to cleanse people and objects, reinstating a state of biblical purity. But why does this matter today? The answer lies in the connection between this prophecy and the anticipated rebuilding of the Third Temple in Jerusalem, a momentous event with profound implications across religious divides. The prophetic significance of the Third Temple is enormous, particularly within Christian eschatology. Passages like Daniel 9:27, Matthew 24:15 and 2 Thessalonians 2:3-4 suggests that the reconstruction of the temple marks the onset of the Great Tribulation, a period of severe trials and tribulations preceding the second coming of Christ. This perspective is not exclusive to Christianity. Jewish tradition also holds that the Messiah will rebuild the Third Temple, a spiritual and worship center for the Jewish people. This belief is rooted in prophecies and descriptions found in Ezekiel, chapters 40 to 48. Ezekiel's vision of the Third Temple is a divine blueprint for the future Messianic Age. His descriptions emphasize the temple's architectural details and its role in restoring worship. Yet for this vision to become reality, the red heifer's ashes are seen as a necessary element for the consecration of the Third Temple. So, the search for the red heifer, an animal meeting the specific biblical requirements, continues today. Some believe its discovery will set in motion the prophesied end-time events, including the rebuilding of the Third Temple and the onset of the Messianic Age. In conclusion, the Red Heifer prophecy is more than an ancient ritual. It is a key that could unlock significant end-time events. Its connection to the Third Temple's rebuilding bridges Christian and Jewish eschatology, revealing shared beliefs about the future and the unfolding of divine plans. The prophecy points towards a time of restoration, renewal, and ultimately, the fulfillment of divine promises. It reminds us that stories from ancient texts continue to shape the hopes and beliefs of many, even in today's modern world. As the search for the red heifer continues, so does the anticipation of what its discovery might mean for the future.